Yeah, so in July, my unit will get $3,800, $4,000 for the week. And in January, I'll get 2,000 for the month. You know, it's just the way
Right.
that it is. So,
That's the way it is.
yeah. Okay, so this is for your use, not for the
Right.
residents. Okay. So you do all your own laundry?
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Is it the ice machine?
Yeah, let me do that. And let me just walk over here and get this area here. So the property line ends right here at the home. Okay. All right. Okay.